And hello again. Now, continuing Unit 11 of basic level, okay? In the previous videos, we talked about plural of nouns, the rules, the irregular plural nouns. And now, together with this subject, we needed to study countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. Countable in Portuguese is contável, of course, and uncountable, incontável. Okay, some nouns in English, they have plural form, of course, similar to Portuguese. When I say carro, of course I can say 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Eu consigo contar. Countable. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. When I say one person, I can say 1 person, 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. I'm counting. So it's countable, okay? So countable are words that have the singular 1 car. And it's possible to give the plural 2 cars. This is countable. So I like to think that countable is a word that has singular and plural form. And of course, it's possible to count. You need to have this capacity. You can count. Okay. So the example, I say, I have one friend and Jack has 3 friends. So, of course, the word friend is countable because I have 1 friend and Jack has 3 friends. Okay? All right. Now, we have the words uncountable. Uncountable is incontável, so we can't count. Let's analyze this. Example, butter or butter. Butter, okay, pronunciation. Butter is manteiga, okay? Now, think, we are talking about substances like café, água, manteiga, sal. These substances, it's very difficult to count the substance. It's very difficult for you to come to me and say, look, Luciana, 1 butter, 2 butters. You can't do that. You have to say 1 pot of butter, 1 tablet of butter, 1 spoon of butter. So you are counting the objects, but not the butter. Okay, I want 500 grams of butter. So I have 500 grams of butter. But butter, you can say, look, Luciana, 1, 2, 3. No, you cannot say, look, Luciana, 1 pot, 2 pots of butter. That you can say. Okay, so butter is uncountable. In other words, I like to say that uncountable is a noun that has only a singular form or only a plural form, but not the two. The two, like the example of 1 friend, 4 friends. Okay. So butter, the example is, in this cake recipe, I will need 3 spoons of butter. So in this case, I'm saying 3 spoons. 3 spoons, 1 spoon, 2 spoons. So spoon is countable. But look, butter, Butter is never in plural because butter doesn't have plural form, students. Okay? Pants. Okay. What's the translation of pants? Calça, right? Now, students, think, visualize pants. Wait, let teacher draw. I have great capacity for pants. Okay? Pants. This is the pants. So the pants has one leg and the other leg. So it's necessary 2 legs to form the pants. Okay? So students, imagine you say, you go shopping in the US and you say, I'd like 1 pant. So the person is going to sell to you this. Just 1 leg. Just 1 leg, 1 pant. Because pants in English is always in plural form. It's necessary 2 legs to form the pants. So it's impossible to say 1 pants. No, that's not possible. Okay? The word pants comes always in plural, comes in the pair. 1, 2 legs, the pair. Okay? It's necessary. Such as glasses. You can say, give me 1 glass. So it's just 1 side? No, you need the 2, the glasses. So you can't say I have 1 glasses. No. You have 1 glass, so it's just 1 length. Okay? Students, let me erase this terrible drawing. So the word pants is always in plural, never in singular. So it's considered uncountable. Remember, for teacher, uncountable is a word that's just singular form, butter, or just plural form, like pants. Okay? So, and if I want to buy uma calça, how do I say this in English? Do not worry. You just say, I'll buy 1 pair of pants. This is how you can count pants. But look, the word pants is always in plural. I will buy 1 pair of pants. But pants is always in plural. That's why it's impossible to say countable. Because you can say 1, you can say 2 or 3. It's 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs. I like those pants. Okay? Not that pant, no. Not okay. Furniture. Furniture is mobilia. Okay? It's a collective word, okay? Collective in English is always uncountable, okay? For example, bagagem is luggage, right? So, it's impossible to give a singular form. It's a collective of words. So it's always in singular and represents a lot. And you can never say 1 baggage, 2 baggage, uma bagagem, 2 bagagens. No. You cannot say that in English, okay? So, furniture. My furniture is very old. I need to buy a new one. Okay, so furniture is always in singular and represents a collective of furniture. Look, the verb always in singular, and I need to buy a new one, represent the furniture. So it's funny because furniture is, the word is always in singular and represents a lot, a collective. Okay? So I'm going to give a pause now, and the next video is how you work with countable and uncountable words. There are some special words we are going to use. Okay? Bye bye.